Welcome back to DeMyas world. Today we're going to be making slime. It's going to be a little messy. Like I always say, some slime will need blue glue, and pink glue, and gold glue, and baking soda, and contact solution, and a bowl, and a spoon, and measuring spoons. So, first I'm going to start with the gold glue. We're going to want to put the whole bottle in. So cool, guys. So cool, guys. You have to try this at home, guys, because it's so golden. And get the pink and blue. Now we're going to add half a spoon of baking soda. Now let's do it. One. Now we're going to stir. Mix my slime it. Mix my slime it. Mix my slime it. Mix my slime it. Already looks slimy already, guys. Look at that. Guys, look at that. Slime, guys. Now we're going to add the contact solution. Now we're going to pour it in. Pour. Now let's mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Look at that, guys. It's actually called activator. That was activator, guys. Contact solution is activator. And then we're going to knead it. Look at this, guys. This is the best slime Walmart ever made. Sounds like Mart. Sounds like Hello Neighbor Mart. Look how stretchy this is. It could like be a jump rope, guys. It could like be a jump rope or something. Or you could jump on this. Alright, guys, we're going to start with the blue one. And let's go. Okay, now let's do it, guys. Let's do it now. Let's do it now. Let's do it now. This is the best. This is the best slime video I ever did. Boop, pop, pop. I popped those bubbles. Now let's pour it in. Yay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Dump, dump, dump. Let's mix it, guys. It's a little crunchy, guys. Think it's gonna be crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Look at this slime, guys. It's turning out so good so far, guys. My mom's giving you a close-up. Let's pour it in, guys, now. Mixy, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, look at all the activator. Activator solution. Hey, now you watched my other slime video for when I was a toddler. It's crunchy. It's the crunchy one. It's a crunchy one. It's really sticky, guys. Oh, look at this sticky slime. Get my hand. Now we're gonna do pink. Yeah. This is my ninja Skittles. Now let's put some baking soda in, guys. Oh, it's already in there. Now mix it, guys. Guys. It's making me go slow because it's stronger than me. That's my fastness. Mix, 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 mix. Sticky. It's not sticky. Which one do you like best? The pink one or the gold one? Gold one's my favorite, guys. Or do you like the blue one? Gold. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe for more videos and give it a big thumbs up.